One of the design issues having to do with Ajax is that the browser's back button won't work, and that's an issue that causes some confusion for some users. For example, in this web page, when you click the display message button, then the div text here, the fetch data will go here, will be replaced by the text fetched using Ajax like that, as you see. The problem is that that is entirely up to the JavaScript of the web page, and it's nothing to do with the browser's forward or back button. And if you click the back button, text will not go back to the original text for the web page. So because you do partial updates in an Ajax web page, when you use Ajax, the browser's back button won't work, and that can confuse some users. It's true, it's usually not a problem, but it can cause some issues. So there have been various attempts to handle the problem of the back button and fixing the back button, and one of them is by Mike Stenhouse, and you can see that at this URL, contentwithstyle.co.uk/article/38. He's got a long, very long article on the current possible solutions to fixing the back button using Ajax, and his own solution, which involves a great deal of code, as you see here. And there's also comments, as you can see, on his attempts to fix the back button. And so there are many different attempts to fix the back button and many different ways of doing this. If you're interested, you can take a look at this article, contentwithstyle.co.uk/articles/38. Take a look, and it gives you a good idea. Mike Stenhouse also has a example available that allows you to see how his solution works, and you can go from page 1 to page 2 using Ajax techniques. You see that's using Ajax, and then page 3, and then you can use the back button to go back to page 2 and back to page 1. So you see the back button works here even with an Ajax application. So if you're interested, take a look at this URL. And for the example, you can also link to this example from his discussion page on this particular question, this article is published. And it's an interesting question. It takes a lot of programming to get around the issue, but as you can see, it certainly can be done in this example. So it's something to think about, and possibly, if you want to, something to implement.